Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to show you a project I have been working on, a complete online shopping management system project built entirely with Python, Tkinter and MySQL. Key features for admin dashboard. Admin can manage users, edit roles or delete accounts. Full product management. For example, admin can add, edit and delete products. View and update order status such as pending, delivered, or admin can also cancel the order, and export sales reports to CSV and PDF format. And key features for user dashboard: browse products with search and filter option, add items to the cart and adjust quantities, place orders with real-time stock validation, and view order history and details. Let's run the project and go into the deep for each features. When you first open the app, it welcomes you with a clean login screen. But before we log in as an admin, we need to register one first. So click on register. Username and password. And make sure to select admin and click register. Great. You can see a success message. The admin is now saved securely in the database with a password hashed using Bcrypt for security. Now click OK. The system automatically redirects here, and now we can log in with admin credentials. If I give wrong credential and click on login button, it shows invalid username and password. Now I'm giving the right password and click on the login. And success. The system recognizes this is an admin, so it opens the admin dashboard. User tab. This is where the admin can see all registered users. Right now we only have the admin account, but if regular users sign up, they will appear here too. Admin can edit user and also change the role. Admin can also delete user account. For example, you could promote a user to admin or remove banned account. Let's go to the product tabs. Right now 5 products in the product table, so let's add a new product and click add product. In the form, enter the product details. If you click the save product without giving any information, it will appear all fields are required. I give the product name, description, price. Let's insert the price. Stock, let's say 50, and category electronics. And click save product, and there it is. The product appears in the list. You can see all the details. Now if we want to edit a product, just click on the product and click on the edit button. The from auto fills with the current data. Let's change the price 39 and click save product. Now back in the table, the price is now updated. All changes are instantly saved to the MySQL database. Let's delete a product. Now let's say this product is discontinued. Select this and click on the delete button. Are you sure you want to delete this product? If I click yes, a success message, product deleted successfully. This product is removed from the database. You can always bring it back by adding it again. Switch to order tab. Admin can see all place orders, filter them, and most importantly, update the order status in the real time. For example, when a customer places an order, it starts as pending. Right now we don't have any order. And here's a cool bonus: exporting reports. You can export the entire order list to a CSV file for Excel or generate a professional PDF report, perfect for printing or sharing. Let's switch to the user session. Now let's see how a regular user experience this system. Let's add a new user. Username and password, and select user and click on the register button. Registration successfully. Now I am going to log in with the user credentials. After successfully login, welcome to the user dashboard. You can browse all the available products. Let's search wireless and click on the search button. Here you can see, and if you click all products, it will show all the products. Now I'm going to buy this product. Now I select this product and click add to cart button and enter the quantity, let's say 2, and okay, add it to the cart, click OK. Now I'm going to add another product and click add to cart button. Now 23 item is available in stock. Let's say I give 24 and click OK. Here is the error message. The maximum value is 23. So only 23 items left in the stock. You cannot add 24. Let's add 8 and click OK. Add it to the cart. Let's go to the cart tab. And here the cart with our items and also total price. If you want to change the quantity, click on the update quantity button. You can update the quantity here. Let's say 5. Okay, quantity has been changed. Now I am going to place an order, so click on the place order button and your order has been successfully placed and click OK. And then it also removed from the cart table. So now I am going to order tab, and here your order history, you can see the order ID and total amount that's currently pending, and admin can later update this to shipped or delivered, and also admin can cancel the order. If you want to view the item, just click here, click on the view item. Perfect. It shows the product name, quantity and price. That's all about the online shopping management system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.